Hi everyone, in this video we are going to demonstrate a weather station project. So with the help of this you can monitor live weather data on your mobile screen. So for making this project you need to require ESP32 module, wind speed sensor, wind direction sensor, rain bucket sensor, lithium ion cell and 0 PCB. This is the wiring connection of our weather station project. So make all the wiring connection in the same manner, and we also design a custom PCB on the base of circuit. We will provide the Gerber file in video description. You can download it. You can see in video some part of weather station we custom print using our own 3D printer. So if you need any custom 3D part, just send me your STL file. So we will print it in high quality. So now move to the Blynk IoT dashboard. You can see I already create the template, and for weather station you can see data stream. So make all the data stream in the same pattern. You can see temperature, humidity, pressure, wind speed, wind direction, rainfall and gas resistance. After that, now go to dashboard. Here you can see the gauge I set for temperature and humidity, and graph for pressure and rainfall, and level value for gas, rainfall, wind speed and direction. That's all you need to do for Blynk IoT web dashboard. Next, we will configure the same setting on the mobile Blynk dashboard. So both dashboard display are the same data. You can take the screenshot and set virtual pin like this. So watch the video carefully and follow all the setting exactly as shown in the ensure everything work correctly. After completing the Blynk configuration, it's time to program the hardware. First, update the code with your Blynk authentication token, template ID and project ID. Then enter your Wi-Fi password and SSID. Now go to Tool and select all these options and upload it. After complete the code, now time to test the hardware. You can see our weather station is power on, and you can see wind sensor is moving. Here is the rain bucket sensor, and this is the wind direction sensor. This weather station is designed to operate continuously even during heavy rainfall, so weather condition won't affect its performance. So as you can see, all sensor data is now being displayed on mobile app dashboard. So the current readings are: temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, humidity is 64, gas resistance is 88, wind direction is 180 degree, altitude is 321 meter, and wind speed is 1773 km per hour, and rainfall is 10.9 mm. Light intensity value is not available yet because we have not added the light sensor to the project.